If you're thinking about moving to Phnom Penh, retiring in Cambodia, becoming a digital nomad, or simply curious about the current rental market, this video is for you. Every month I go through apartments that have been listed for rent during the last 7 days, so you can see exactly what's available right now and how much it costs. Today we'll be looking at apartments across a range of budgets, from affordable studios to larger modern condos, giving you a realistic picture of what your money can get you in Cambodia's capital in June 2026. Let's jump straight into the listings and see what's available this month. We can start with this studio apartment for $100 per month. Yes, you heard me right, just $100 per month. For that you get a large bed, wardrobe and storage space, a small kitchen area with sink. Looking at the pictures, it seems here maybe a communal bathroom a bit along the hallway. But if you can live with that, then $100 for a tidy little studio in Cambodia's capital seems excellent value, and a great foundation for a budget lifestyle in the city. This one-bed studio apartment for $200 a month is a lot more spacious. It has a living area with sofa and TV, and a good-sized kitchen area with plenty of storage, along with a refrigerator and washing machine. There's also a bathroom with Western-style toilet and a hot shower. At $200, the added space and facilities still make this great value. Now we move up to $250 a month. We're on the 7th floor in this lovely one-bedroom apartment. The bedroom has a wardrobe and air conditioning to keep you comfortable. Next up, the living space with a chair, table, TV and free Wi-Fi included. Moving through, you've got the kitchen area, fully fitted with a fridge and gas stove. There's a modern bathroom, standard toilet and hot water shower ready to use. Out on the small balcony sits the washing machine, and you also get use of the communal rooftop pool. This 2-bedroom apartment in BKK3 is available for just $260 a month. Step inside the living space, you'll find a comfortable sofa and coffee table perfectly positioned opposite the TV. Right next to the kitchen sits a handy dining set. The kitchen is compact yet fully functional, fitted with a fridge and gas stove. There are stairs leading up to one bedroom, while the second is located just off the kitchen. Both bedrooms feature air conditioning, large beds and their own ensuite bathrooms, each with hot water shower. Step out onto the generously sized balcony, ideal for unwinding in the evening with a cold drink. This fully furnished one-bedroom studio apartment is $280 per month. The sleeping area comes with air conditioning and plenty of built-in storage for all of your clothes. You'll also find a dining table and chairs ready to use. Windows run along 2 sides, filling the space with natural light and offering fantastic city views. The fitted kitchen includes a fridge and gas-powered cooker. Step out onto the balcony, perfect for unwinding and conveniently housing the washing machine too. And the absolute highlight, a rooftop pool, ideal for relaxing and soaking up the sunshine. If you're not scared of heights, then this 20th floor apartment might be exactly what you're after, and it's just $380 per month. It features one comfortable bedroom fitted with air conditioning, television and plenty of storage for all of your belongings. There's one sleek modern bathroom with a hot shower, plus a fully equipped contemporary kitchen. And if you truly love those high up views, there's a balcony boasting spectacular vistas across Phnom Penh. $410 can get you this one bedroom apartment in BKK 3, close to the Russian market area. It's fully furnished and on the second floor. The $410 includes free Wi-Fi and weekly cleaning. There is one bedroom with a large bed, built-in wardrobes and air conditioning. The living space has a comfy sofa, a coffee table and television with storage unit. There is a small dining table with chairs and a fully equipped kitchen with washing machine. The bathroom is modern with a hot shower and toilet. Outside there's a small balcony with a table and chairs, perfect for a quiet coffee in the evening. We now move to BKK 2 for this one bedroom apartment for just $650 per month. It's 72 square meters and fully furnished with free Wi-Fi, 24-hour security and a weekly cleaning service. The living space is bright and airy thanks to large doors that lead onto a balcony. All of the furniture you see is included, so there should be nothing you need to buy. The kitchen is a good size with a washing machine and refrigerator included. The bedroom is large with lots of built-in wardrobes, large windows and an ensuite bathroom which is very modern and clean. Well, that brings us to the end of this month's Phnom Penh apartment update. Let me know in the comments which apartment was your favourite and what type of property you'd like me to feature next month. Your feedback really helps shape these videos and helps others who are considering moving to Cambodia. If you're researching retirement in Cambodia, relocating to Phnom Penh or looking for affordable apartments throughout the country, make sure you're subscribed because I upload new Cambodia living videos every week. And if you'd like to support the channel and help me continue creating these apartment tours and cost of living updates, you can support me through Buy Me a Coffee. The link is in the description below, or through the super thanks button just below the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Cambodia adventure.